This is called Long Life and Prosperity Juice, or ABC Juice, because it consists of only 3 fruits that are very powerful. Hello and welcome to my channel. The first ingredient we'll be using is beetroots. Beetroots are a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, including folate that is important for your DNA and your cell health, vitamin B6 that supports your metabolism and red blood cells production, calcium, which is an essential mineral for your bone growth and strength, zinc, which promotes wound healing, supports the immune system, and beetroot also improves your blood pressure. Most importantly, beetroot prevents anemia. Anemia is when your blood level is low. So beetroots are rich in iron, and without iron, red blood cells cannot transport oxygen around the body. I can go on and on talking about the benefits of this drink. So let me tell you why this juice is called Long Life and Prosperity Juice. So the reason it is called Long Life and Prosperity Juice is that it consists of these 3 powerful ingredients, like I said, and if you keep eating these fruits, it will make you healthy than you are. When you keep ingesting these fruits, sickness or any disease, infections will just be far away from your body and you'll be healthy as ever. So in this recipe, I'm using just 2 beetroots. Please make sure you wash your beetroots well. Mine was very sandy, so make sure you wash yours well so you don't ingest sandy fruits. The second ingredient is carrots. Carrots are incredibly nutritious. They provide potassium and several carotenoids and vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K to the body. So I'm going to be using 3 carrots in this recipe, 3 medium carrots. And make sure you wash your carrots well. Then the third ingredient is apple. Apple is full of pectin and fiber. It helps boost your energy and it fights against common infection. Apple are also very rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. So in this recipe, I'll only be using just 2 apples. And by the way, you can use any apple of your choice. You can, if it is green, you can get your hands on. Use the green, but in this recipe, I'm using the red apple. So I'm just going to go ahead to cut my fruits into smaller pieces so it can be very easy for my blender. And if you have a juicer, that will be the perfect way to make this juice. Just juice it and you're good to go. So this is my beetroot sliced, and I'm going to just slice the carrot and be right back. So before I forget, if this is your first time here, please join the family by subscribing. We are on our way to 3,000 and I'm very grateful for that. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. Thank you. If you've ever shared my video, thank you. I really appreciate that. So why this juice is called ABC juice is because it consists of apple, beetroot, and carrot. So apple stands for the A, beetroot stands for the B, and the C stands for the carrot. So that is why we call it ABC juice or ABC drink. So after successfully slicing my fruit, this is what everything looks like. It actually looks much. So I'm going to transfer them into my blender so we can blend it up before we move on to the next step. So after adding everything into my blender, I'm just going to add 2 cups of water to it, so that for easy blending I would have added just 1 cup of water, but for easy blending I'm using 2 cups of water. So if you have a juicer, of course you don't need water to make your juice, because the richer your juice is, the better. So when your juice is rich, like it's not diluted, that will be very better. So this is what it looks like. It actually looks like you're blending tomato and it's very pretty. So you're just going to blend it to a smooth consistency and we sieve. That's the next step. We're going to sieve the shaft away from the juice so we can have our pure juice. So after sieving, this is what I've got. But when I was sieving this, I realized the sieve I use has large holes. So fibers got through the holes into my juice. So the juice is more like a smoothie. So I'll just go ahead and sieve it once more with a tiny sieve. Hopefully that will be better. So after successfully sieving, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to transfer it into my glass jar to store in the fridge. And you can take this juice anyhow you like, anytime you want, and anyone can take this juice, be it your children, adults, you, your husband, your wives, anyone can take this juice. It is a natural drink that is good for the body. So thank you for watching this video. Till I see you in my next video, stay blessed and remain healthy. Bye.